to join us today on a road trip. Where are we going? We're going to Swindon.
We're going to Swindon.
We're going to Swindon.
We're here with Rory and Rory's dad. The dream team. Right then. So, we are on our way to Swindon.
We are.
And Rory, where are we going?
We're going to Ionic in Swindon to pick up 2 new vehicles. Fully kitted out. Brand spanking new vans. It's the first time I've done this journey loads of times, but it's the first time we've gone down here to pick up 2. Road trip. Yeah, back in the Vista.
Yeah.
That's not too bad. Cut out Vista fucking. To be honest, the time it took around there, we would have been start all the way through there anyway.
If in doubt,
Hold in.
get Oasis out. We are now stopping for a wee break. Are we all going in the disabled or?
I guess so. Oh, wait.
No, they ain't got the usual mag, Rory.
No, they haven't. Very disappointing.
Most important part of the journey so far. Just keep the receipt just to invoice Steve, yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Most important part of a road trip is a BP sausage roll.
Yeah. This is the quietest it's been all journey.
Nothing up. That's because my dad's got something in his mouth.
I know.
Anyway.
Yeah, it's just giving us nothing for the
Yeah. That one looks fine, but it's not. That's fine. Yeah, well, don't say that way, do they? So that one is DPU. Different here and there, but it works exactly the same way. So, yeah, open the other one. Have a look around it, make sure you're happy with it. I'm just going to bring that one inside and then I'll have to play with it and see what's going on with it. How long's it not been working?
Cigarette. Shamal. Hello. We just got to Swindon after a 2-hour journey down here. Not too bad a journey, to be honest. Just picked up these 2 brand spanking new vans. Quality Systems from a quality company. And they're going to keep us going for a long, long while. This is van number 1, van number 2. We've used a few other companies for our setups over the past sort of 15 years. We've always found Ionics to be the best. Any problems you get, you bring your van straight down and sorted, no problems. That's why we keep coming. Quality systems and good people. Put my leg up on that.
Shooting for our website, not our OnlyFans.
Oh, no worries. I don't think you make much money off me anyway, mate. My day's gone. Red Clean. We've been going about 16 years through a name company change, a name change for the company, should I say. We've been Reds for about 6 years now. Worked with them, I'm an operations manager. Started off as a window cleaner and climbed the ladder. We do a multitude of services for different people. Service over 4,500 customers a month. Some of them commercial, some of them are residential. We do gutter cleaning, driveway cleaning, patio cleaning, cladding cleaning, roof cleaning. Anything external we'll turn our hand to. We'll have a go at anything, and we usually do a pretty good job when we do it. In comparison to some of the other systems we've used that have been really compact, if we do have problems with them, it is simply a case of having it taken back to whoever's made them tanks. Whereas with the Ionic Systems, as I said before, we can phone them up. Everything's accessible on the back of the van. You can get to every area, all the pumps are accessible, nothing's hidden, and 9 times out of 10, if there is any little problems, we can deal with them ourselves. Other companies that we've used in the past, compact systems, hidden pumps, hidden controls, wires in places that you can't get to, and problems that you can't solve yourself.
So now I want to talk a little bit about the role of social media in what you're doing. Obviously you have a big part to play in that, being in front of the camera. If you could just talk to me about the vision of the role of social media at Red Clean, perhaps your involvement in it and where you see that going, and how the effectiveness that has been for your business.
All right, so we've recently started trying to create a big social media presence, flooding TikTok and getting as much as we can on the internet, on YouTube, to try and get people noticing us, for people to come to us rather than us to have to go out there and find them. Obviously social media is a massive influence, and it's everywhere, it's in everybody's house. So by us putting ourselves on these channels, we're hoping to get into everybody's house, so then they can see us to come and make the outside of their house look good. We're hoping that by doing this, it's just going to keep snowballing and maybe give us a good result. Once the internet's sick of seeing videos of us, we'll be a household name, and you won't be able to escape Red Clean.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much all the questions that I have. You smashed that, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's really good.